Mini drones are getting smarter, sharper, and more powerful than ever, and in 2025, they're not just toys anymore. They come packed with 8K cameras, obstacle avoidance, and even gimbals, all in a pocket-sized frame. Today, we're flying through the top 5 best mini drones on AliExpress for 2025. Whether you're a traveler, a hobbyist, or just looking for your first drone, there's something in this list for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get into the sky. Number 1. New Drones S156. First up is the new Drones S156, a mini drone that packs premium features into a beginner-friendly form. This little beast offers a stunning 8K front-facing camera and a secondary bottom camera for overhead and dynamic shots. It's equipped with 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, GPS positioning, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance, meaning this drone practically flies itself, even in tricky areas. The brushless motors mean better durability and quieter operation, and the foldable design makes it great for travel. 8K dual HD cameras, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, foldable with brushless motors, GPS auto return. Pros: dual cameras for multiple angles, very stable thanks to GPS and brushless motors. Great obstacle detection for its size. The S156 is a feature-rich drone at a very competitive price, perfect for beginners who want big features in a compact package. Number 2. S116 Max Drone. Next on our list is the S116 Max Drone, a professional-style drone made for those who want more flight time and a better flying experience without breaking the bank. With 3 batteries included, you're getting over 60 minutes of airtime, and that's a rare deal in this price range. The 8K dual cameras, optical flow positioning, and brushless motors deliver solid flight stability and great image quality, while the 360-degree obstacle avoidance sensors help prevent crashes during flight. 8K front plus bottom cameras, 3 batteries equals 60+ minutes flying. Optical flow positioning, foldable and brushless, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Pros: amazing battery life out of the box, very beginner friendly, great value for price. If you're looking to fly longer and smoother without spending a fortune, the S116 Max should be on your radar. Number 3. Xiaomi V66 Mini Foldable GPS Drone. Coming in at number 3 is the Xiaomi V66 Mini Drone. Known for quality consumer tech, Xiaomi brings their A-game to this foldable drone. You get 8K UHD video, 5-directional obstacle avoidance, and a reliable GPS plus optical flow system that helps maintain steady hover and accurate auto-return. The drone's compact foldable design makes it ideal for travel, and the brushless motors make it long-lasting and wind-resistant. 8K HD camera, 5-way obstacle avoidance, GPS and optical flow hover, lightweight and foldable, brushless motors. Pros: excellent safety with multi-directional sensors, super portable, great image clarity. If you're looking for smart safety features and high-resolution video in a very portable design, the Xiaomi V66 Mini Drone is a solid choice. Number 4. XT709 OAS Drone. If you're after professional-level stabilization in a small drone, meet the XT709 OAS Drone. This drone features a real 3-axis mechanical gimbal offering cinematic video quality without all the shakes and jitters. It also includes obstacle avoidance, GPS tracking, and a massive built-in 64 GB of memory, no SD card required. It flies like a pro drone but folds down small enough to fit in your backpack. 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 64 GB internal storage, GPS plus auto-return, obstacle avoidance sensors, foldable and pro design. Pros: super smooth video, doesn't require separate memory card, great for semi-pro creators. If you want cinema quality footage from a mini drone, this is a fantastic option that punches way above its weight. Number 5. V668 GPS Drone. Rounding out the top 5 is the V668 GPS Drone, another high-end compact drone with incredible range and shooting power. This model has a 3-axis gimbal, 8K UHD camera, and a 5 km video transmission range, giving you plenty of room to explore and record cinematic content. It's perfect for drone hobbyists who want pro-level flying with a foldable footprint. 8K UHD video, 3-axis gimbal, up to 5 km transmission, obstacle avoidance sensors, foldable frame. Pros: long-range flying, stunning video clarity, foldable but pro-grade. For the price, the V668 delivers features normally found in drones twice its size. Number 6. L200 Pro Max Drone. Here's a bonus drone you should know about: L200 Pro Max. It's one of the most budget-friendly drones to offer a 2-axis gimbal, 4K HD video, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. It's also equipped with GPS auto-return and is a great pick for beginners who want to test the waters before moving to more advanced models. 2-axis anti-shake gimbal for cave video camera. GPS auto-return. Obstacle avoidance sensors. Pros: very affordable. Real gimbal, 2-axis. Lightweight and easy to fly. This is the ideal starter drone if you want great stability and smart features on a tight budget. So there you have it, the top 5 best mini drones on AliExpress in 2025. From gimbal-stabilized aerial shots to smart obstacle avoidance, these tiny machines pack a serious punch. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and drone content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the sky.